Somebody's buying bolo. Somebody's buying bolo. I need your love today. I need you right away. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares.
Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today is a Friday and I have just come back from morning drop off. It will soon be time for afternoon drop off, but before then I have a few things to do. I'm currently uploading content for YouTube. I'm trying to get back into YouTube rhythm because this time that I've taken off, I just have to do a lot of catching up and all of that. So I want to get to the store. I have a few things I want to pick up, and I'm also going to start getting my baby ready for afternoon school. That's his school bag behind. So yeah, so that's what this vlog is going to be about. We're going to see how this vlog is going to pan out, and I hope you guys enjoy the content in today's vlog. So everyone's going to be at home tonight, so we are going to make an evening out of it, and we're just going to try to enjoy our time together as a family. But before then, I want to get to the store right now to pick up a few things. I'm going to Morrisons, I think. Yeah, I think that's where I'll get everything, because I don't want to be walking around in this cold. My brethren, cold is here. It have arrived. It's at the house. I'm still cacked up. Alright, so if you're new here, you are welcome. Please consider subscribing. Remember to click on the bell notification. That way you get notified every time I upload a new video, which is at least once every week. Okay, so we have resumed now. We took 1 week off and we have resumed now. See, just to cut down costs and all of that, I am preparing to go to the store, and I'm just trying to write down some of the things I want to get, because I always tend to forget one or two things. Okay, so list is here and I'm on my way to Morrisons. I'll see you when I'm in the shop. So you guys, I am still pro Aldi, and I absolutely love shopping at Aldi. But one of the things that I love about shopping at Morrisons is that the stores are usually less crowded on most days, and you can be in and out before you can see Jack Robinson. So getting a cart is almost the same as other stores. You just insert your coin and you are good to go. People are still out here buying chocolates. I cannot be bothered. So usually at this time of the year, there's usually sales on leftover chocolate and sweets from Halloween, and this is where people usually stock up for the next year. So that is a tip just in case you celebrate Halloween. God help me, I'm going to stick to this list today and close eye to every other thing in the name of Jesus. So I bought this thing when I saw it at first. So we need peanut butter. Peanut butter is around here. I don't want crunchy. I need it to be smooth. Yep, that's the one. Racks and racks of sweets. JVKE. What's it, Joba? Because what's the difference? This one is 85p. This one is £1.59. I'm not allowed to smart. Yeah, my pot. What are they selling? Thank you. Here you help. £1.59. So the only extra thing I'm buying is this hazelnut spread, and that's because I missed it during our monthly shopping. So I kind of had to buy it here. Although they have one sales going on it, but it doesn't save me a lot. But I wish I just picked it up the first time I saw it. But anyways, we're going to the bread section to pick up hot dog rolls. Okay, we're here now. Yep. I think I like these ones better. Yeah. Here's another one. Okay. Alright, so on our list we still need yogurt and toothpaste. I'm looking for a specific kind of toothpaste. It's a charcoal one. We're going back to charcoal, you guys. Yeah, found it. Anyway, so we have 10 here. 10 here for 4 pounds. So we are done. Let's go and pay. I need one for the children as well. Everything just has to be branded to make the children just eat something. What does it matter if Paw Patrol is on the carton or not? Alright you guys, so we are done now with the shopping and I'm just heading to the cashier stand to cash out and just head home and prepare my 3-year-old for afternoon school. Okay, so you guys, we're going to have a discussion about this afternoon school, 15 hours, 30 hours. Okay, for those of you who do not understand what I'm saying, I'll probably make a video to explain, you know, the different timing for schooling and all of that. I know I'm not the only one who is currently struggling with the different timing and, you know, just the whole system. But then what can we do? That is just the way things work in the country. But then we'll have to adapt and all of that. Don't forget to get your coin out after you're done with your shopping and then you can save it for later. Alright, let's head home. God help me. I hope this yogurt doesn't fall and break when I'm crossing the street. Note to self. Never stand behind a pensioner or someone planning to use coupons for the night. Like, I honestly felt like offloading the carts that I already put on the conveyor belts and putting it up onto another person's conveyor belts because the mama that was standing in front of me, this woman was not in a hurry. But anyway, we're done with that and we're going home now. Okay, I'll see you guys when I get home. So if there's no Paw Patrol, if there's no Paw Patrol, you won't take the yogurt. Eh? So if there's no Paw Patrol, Daniel, I'm asking you a question. If there's no Paw Patrol, you won't drink the yogurt. Eh?
I want Paw Patrol. No God. You're young. They have colors on it.
They have color. So because of color, that's why you want to eat. If you take mine. This is how much you spent.
Mommy, can I have
£20,
no God.
58 pence.
Mom, Paw Patrol. No
Usually,
God.
like, Daniel, I'm coming. Like, when we first came in, for this kind of shopping, I may not spend up to maybe 12 pounds. Can't be more than 15. I'm not going to carry you, Daniel. You're a big boy.
Mommy, why you not carrying me?
I told him I'd do. Do you know how much he weighs?
Mommy,
Daniel, you're wearing banana. Oh yeah, change it. Change it. Alright you guys, so it is time for afternoon school runs. Make 3 trips to school every single day. Doesn't make any sense. Just because of 15 hours and then normal school.
these cars are dirty.
So don't touch them. They're dirty, don't touch them.
Huh? Are these cars?
Don't touch. Why must you touch everything? I just dropped Daniel off. So this whole childcare is not just adding up because I don't know how will a family, mom and dad, work full time and have children below the age of 14 in this place. Like, you need somebody to be at home to do school runs. The first child goes to school around 8:45, and the second one goes to school around this time, which is around 12:15, and then you now come back and pick them up by 3:15 in the afternoon. That's 3 trips to and from school. Like, that's 6 altogether. How does it even begin to make sense? How does it begin to make sense? Like, this country is a natural contraceptive. I'll tell you that one for free. Like, you would think, well, that's why sometimes when I see couples come here, like to the UK without their children, I understand. Because how will you walk? I don't mean to scare anybody, but reality. Me, I'll say it as it is. That's what people will be saying, UK content creators are saying too much, are doing too much. If you like, hear. If you like, don't hear. Prepare yourself if you like. Some people are just, well, I understand that sometimes it might be too much when you see this and that, you know, different topics on immigration and all of that, but it doesn't make any sense to, because of that, deprive yourself of getting other people's experience. Yes, it's a business. YouTube is a business. I mean, we make money off YouTube. There's no lie there, but it's left to you if you want to tap into the experience of others, like actually learn from other people's experience. So that's why trending topics and conversations, pick what you want. I'll always say that you take everything with a pinch of salt. Really, you sift out what is valuable to you. Alright, you guys, I'll see you when I get home now, and I'm about to make myself a smoothie. Fit Farm things. Make one with me. So initially I started using whole milk, but I've since switched to semi-skimmed milk, and I'm just going to be adding some oats, some desiccated coconuts, some saltines or raisins. I'm also adding dried cranberries, some shaved almonds, some dried pineapples, chocolate chips, sunflower seeds, and a scoop of peanut butter. This one just makes it more palatable, and then just a light drizzle of honey or a golden syrup, whatever I can find quickest, and I just blend it up, and that is it. I'm just going to add a few more toppings, like some marshmallows for comfort food. I'm also adding some poppy seeds for extra fiber, and that is it. Who's with me? Who's trying this? It's addictive. So I've just added a dash of cinnamon to it. Oh, it's definitely missing that cinnamon. Who's trying this out? This was my only meal of the day yesterday, and I'm having it again today. As in, I didn't feel hungry at all. I had a cup of coffee and some chips, or crisps as I call them here, onion rings. And this, I'm having this again today, almost at the same time, because of the intermittent fasting. Okay, so now that the boys are away, usually what I do with this time is I try to catch up on chores, house chores, if I want to edit any video. But mostly what I do is I have full control of the TV, and I usually watch whatever my soul desires without any interruption. So right now I'm going on Netflix, you guys. I will see you. Yeah, election Oba. Yep.
The election must die so as to accompany it to heaven. I have to report that one prominent chief made the election Oba.
It's happening live. Yes. Special shout out to Joby for sponsoring this segment of the video. They have sent me 3 products to try out on the channel today, and first of which is this gorilla tripod that is absolutely transformable. It's malleable, it's very sturdy, and it does the job. They've also sent me their Airwave cordless mic, and this comes with amazing accessories that can be mounted and used in different ways. And last of which, they've sent me the Joby swing that is very good for transitioning. So this is the Joby swing, and this is the 3rd product I'm getting from Joby. I cannot wait to unbox this one. This is going to give my videos a lot more movement, and it comes in a very wonderful package. The product itself is very sleek. It comes with a USB cable that has a USB jack and a C-type, and this is the swing itself. It's robotic. This is the power button, and this is where you attach your camera to. It also has a level bubble on there as well. It has a lock switch. This is next levels, you guys. I cannot believe how clear, how crisp this is right now. I'm going to play back this thing and actually hear the audio. Thank you so much, Joby, for sponsoring today's video. I deeply, truly appreciate you. This is an amazing product, and this is about to be next levels, you guys. Next levels. Thank you so much, and let's get on with the rest of today's video. It's afternoon pickup time. This is like 3:10. Now I'm going to get the boys. What have I done today? Nothing. School runs with homeboy. And as soon as the boys get home, they eat, they play, and the day is gone. Yes, because you will not hear word until it's time for them to sleep. And what will you be doing? That's why most of the time I do my videos, like my sit down videos, I do them at night, because that's when the house is quiet and I can actually do some work, like for YouTube. So you guys, I'll catch you up when I get the boys. Let me rush. I have 5 more minutes before the gates open. See ya.
Mommy, can I go by myself?
No, you cannot go by yourself. Asha, slow down.
Somebody's buying polo.